Hi everyone, today I will be making my game. From the last stream I made some progress, so I will uh, I want to tell you what progress. So I added the HUD, the inventory. It's kinda working. But I will improve that, and so this is how it looks like now. I don't know if I've uh, with what I ended last stream, but now I can press E and open the inventory where I have some slots and the pick and the drag, or how it's said, works. I had some help from ChatGPT, but I think I have the main function. I learned like 90% of it. So this is working, and if you notice that if I open the inventory, I can't shoot, but I can move, and that I will let that be here. So now I will show you how it's done, the inventory. I have the HUD script where I have... Oh, and I've been experimenting with class names and classes. And I turned on the feature that will warn me if it's not declared the variable. It's safer that way. So I have this function where in ready I don't know where to start, because I have the item registry which turns where I will add scenes with items, so I can I can reach every item with this. This is the class for each item, where it's ID, the name of the item, the icon, where I have to do the texture here like this, drag the texture for each item. Then stack size and max stack, these two I am not using now. So, and in the HUD For first, in the main scene, in the main script, I set the player variable in the HUD with the function. So that's how it's done. This, and now I have in the ready function I call the singleton or auto load script with the item registry, and I assign for Glock item, I assign any item in item registry which has ID Glock or shotgun. Now I create slots. If I do this like 20, no 200, not 200. So now I have 20 slots. If I do it only 10, I will have only 10. Now I have the function here which will give the slot some item. So in slot 0 or the first slot, this I will assign Glock item. In slot 1 I will assign shotgun item. If I do this, so now we will have two shotguns which I can move, swap, and these things. And that's all, I think, what I did in the off-screen. And now for first I want to change when I do this, the texture isn't centered, and I will do this centered. But I don't know. I don't know how. Swap items. Here. Hmm. I will try. Maybe if I do it Hmm. Hmm. How to do it? Preview is texture rectangle and so now layout, preset, direction, layout, direction, no, layout preset dot preset center through, not like that. So how? That's okay. So the preview texture, I don't know. Will let it be like this, but I want to when I drag this, so I want this to disappear because I have it there. So I will do it invisible or when these are the data. Swap items. If I do it, I hi. Hi. Hi, how it's going? Did I say it right? You are creating the UI of the game now. I am making the inventory. Just it's going good. Thank you. Nice. I am trying to learn how to do inventory in game. So I have there some mechanics, basic, but I want to improve them. And I learned that by ChatGPT. But it's working. And I think I know what I'm doing right now. Well, at least I knew before I wanted to change something. So I want the texture of this slot. It's called slot in English, or no? Uh, slot, yes. Okay. when I drag it, the texture just is there, and it seems like it has duplicated. So I might change the hmm, don't know how to do it, say it, so I will just show. I want to do this. So, or I will just turn it invisible for the time it's being dragged somewhere. So I need to realize what I'm doing right now. The intensity, you want it to be transparent? No, two options are there. The first is I turn it like darker for the time it's being dragged, or I turn it invisible. So there we check if the item we drag have some data, and if it does, so we do the preview here, the texture at my cursor. I want to test something. Icon dot oh, visible, visible, false. But I need to maybe there icon dot visible is true. That's not gonna work. Oh, it's working. No. If I do it like this, it just despawns. It's here, but it's not here. Want to define containers? Yeah. That's right. I have this is the script for the size. Okay, I will explain one more time. So this is the inventory. This is the grid container, and with script I add childs to this, like there. I like 15 of the 15 duplicates of the scene of inventory slot, and then I will that's all. So that's how I make it. Good. Okay. But I don't want to wait. I think if we do icon dot visible false. Oh. This probably will not work. I need drop data. Wait. Icon visible false, and when I drop it, swap items. Self return. And before that, I want to change the visibility. Visible true. Yes. And I need this for the swap items. Okay. When I swap it, it just... This is doing nothing. Can drop data. This is gonna be probably a rookie mistake. Progress process just icon visible is true. This should not work. Yes. I don't know why I am... Forget it. So if the... I don't know exactly what this function is doing. Get drag data. Like when it's when it's called. If item okay, so if I click there and try to move it, it won't work because of this. From slot. From slot. From slot is this slot now. And now this. I think but with the swap items. Now the pistol is invisible because it's the from slot of the shotgun, and it didn't have a chance to turn visible. So I need to turn it visible when do you have an idea? I don't. You're afraid? From what? Not much. I'm quite a noob in GODOT. I am noob too. That sounded like some sound effect. I am noob too. This is my literally my third game ever. The first one was in Python, and the second one was some platformer in Godot. I can show you right now, I think. This is the platformer I did. Like I was making it like 15 hours. This is the second version. The first one was in Python. 15 hours. Oh, not just ignore the first one. I don't call it a game because it even has sounds. Yes, there's the response sound. I learned with this like a lot in Godot. Every basic. Every basic. This is the second version. This is the second version of the game, because the first one I made like with that was the first version and first project in Godot ever. So I wasn't and I was learning that with only ChatGPT. So it's not working, I guess, right now. Oh yes, this is the sound when you... First project is like playing around and discovering, yes. The... Love the sound against the wall. Yes, I have there another sound, but it's broken. The game is broken because I've started state machine, finite state machine, I guess it's called, and I didn't, and that was the reason I started making the second version of the same game, because I just did from the ChatGPT. I didn't have the right. No jump here. I can't. It's broken because like if I change the state from the idle to walk or run, I can't jump because I didn't finish it. If I am spamming spacebar right now, and if I don't walk. Also, the sprinting is working only the right way for some reason. The HUD isn't working entirely. So that's how it's. That's my first project ever in Godot. And I'm making this project where this is a texture pack from itch.io, but I am planning to make my own textures. I have the graphic tablet and these things. I can shoot. There isn't. If I do escape, it just closes the game. But I plan to release this game on itch after I make one. Making graphics is also a big task. I am also using free graphics for now. Yes. So now the HUD, like the health bar, isn't working because I'm not refreshing that. I don't see in the same time. When did you say that you are going to release the game? Will it have zombies? It will have some enemies, and I plan to learn AI with this, like basic AI. And I'm releasing it when I want, because and when it will be done. This is my 5th, maybe 6th stream from this game. I have like 10 or 15 hours on this. And I will be... Oh, I forget to record in the same time. I will be making a devlog too, like when I finish it. So I'm recording, streaming, and these things. And what did I want to say? Nice idea? Yeah, I think so. But the editing will be pain. I have this YouTube channel like for a year and quarter now. And for first I just made videos. But it's in Czech language, so you can't. It's not in English. I'm from Czech Republic. I'm from Czech Republic in Europe. So I forget what I wanted to say. And I want to show you something. I have there the fire rate. So let's do 0. I don't speak Czech. You don't have to. 0.05. I'm from Spain. Oh, I'm not learning Spanish, but nice. I I don't know why I had to say I'm not learning Spanish. This is less than I thought it will be. Oh, now it's working. And I on the second or first stream, I realized that this is the power. I realized that because I have a marker here, which is rotating with the weapon, and from this marker it's shooting. So if I have some wall or fence here, I can shoot through it, like here. And I think that's cool mechanic for game like this. And also I want this game to be like not only shooting enemies, but crafting too. I want to. So I wanted to add the inventory because I want the player to craft the weapons. So now it's not working. Cool. Thanks. So now, what do we need? It can be only reduced. This function is called when it swaps the items. Oh! So now I have to visible true, because it's like it's now the other slot. Or am I right? This should not work. Where it is? Where is it? I have to go now? Yeah. So, have fun. I will come again to see how it goes. Thanks. So you can subscribe. You can come to my Discord channel if you want to. And come again. Bye. Okay. Now. This isn't working. Oh. Dot icon. Dot visible. Now? Yes! It's working! Yes! Oh, wait. Oh no. Okay, I need to turn it visible. Drop data. If item data can drop, can drop, can drop. At position. Oh. Not there. If item data isn't null, then I won't. I will not turn the music on. What do I need? I need when it's not, it can't be dropped. This will grab the item. This will drop the item. If it is self. Oh, I am doing it wrong. Is there a function swap items drop grab? Okay, let's check GPT. Is there a function? Is there a function which will be called when the drop data, when the drop action in the inventory can't be no. If is there a function which will be called when the drop action in the inventory can't be done? I need to turn no. GODOT does give you a hook for this, but it's a bit hidden and many people miss it. Drag and drop for control nodes has 4 relevant callbacks. When dragging data from control, GODOT does this. Get drag data. While hovering, can drop data. Oh. If released on a valid target, drop data. Cancelled. Yes. So now, if I do function drop data cancelled, icon dot visible is true. Oh, it needs to be void. Now it will work. Or maybe not. But it gets cancelled. Icon visible. Okay. Addr slot dot icon dot visible. Not like this. Not like this. Not like this. how it's done. If drop data cancelled, so if the release is cancelled, oh, if the release can't be done, if the release can't be done, drop data cancelled. I will do no from slot. So if it drops the data in the panel, in this, it turns the icon to visible. And if it gets cancelled, it has to swap items. Swap items. This is like and if item data is null, then the icon texture will be null. If the other slot item data is not null, huh? How? How it's not working? Oh. Drop data cancelled. Drop data cancelled. Drop data cancelled. Icon visible true. I'm back. Mark drop data. Drop data. GUI input on the source slot. Okay. I will just copy this GUI. So okay. And it still doesn't work. If event input event, if event is input event 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 if this mouse button, if this button index is mouse button left and not don't know what to say in this. Huh? Okay. It only does this when I click okay. I'm sorry for your ear drums or how it's said. Now we need something. This isn't right. Do we have input here? No, no, we don't have. On drop failed. we need to call this function when I do this. And I don't know how. Oh. Little fun fact. The thing I have, this is a like sweet, don't know how to say more. It's like from Czech Republic, that's my country, and and it looks like this, and it's like really sweet. Don't know how to say it. Skořice in English. So I will translate this. Translator. Skořice. Cinnamon. It's like cinnamon, and it's really nice. End of the fun fact. So, on drop failed. How do we do this? It doesn't work. The GUI input detects only when I release the mouse button on some slot. I don't know if you can see this. Yes, you do. Oh, sorry. Solution 1. Best. Notification drag end. Does have a global drag end notification, but it's hidden. Okay. This works even when dropping outside all controls. Use notification in the source slot. Huh? Okay, we can try this, but I have no idea what this does. Does. I'm sorry. So, function notification. Don't know what is what. What is? So, if the what is notification drag end. So then, if not, drop accepted. False. We can try this. Works. Don't know how, but works. So if we do print what? Oh, oh wait, it's 18. How? That's not nice, because if I did in this function something more than icon visible, it would be like really bad to be called 18 times. Hmm. I will let that slide. We have some working inventory. I will do this, and I will not do that again. Maybe yes, maybe no. We can swap items, we can do this, we can swap items, we can drag items out. If we do more slots, HUD, like I want to try something. Oh, it adjusts the, okay, 20. Something left. Someone left just by now. Okay. Okay. What now? I have no idea what to do now. Next. Speed is 200. Okay. Target speed is float, I think. Okay, target speed isn't float. Nice. I will just check something. Oh, nice. Okay. Is this working? Probably. Is this working? Probably. Is in the chat someone? Probably not. Am I recording? Yes. So now, what do we need? What do we need? Why is the camera so slow? Oh, it's accelerating, I think. Don't accelerate! Bye. Yes. We can. Whew. Hmm. Hmm. Sounds maybe the health functionality, maybe AI, not even chance. Scoping, like on the right button, or maybe the cursor texture. Hmm. Do you have some idea what should I add next? And if it would be nice if it will not be professional level. Wait. Okay. Maybe the menu, like the pause menu, start menu. I have no idea. I have how I have so maybe don't know what to do. So I will, I guess, just end the stream. It's definitely shorter than most times, but I think I explained what I did off screen. And I did some progress now. So I guess bye on the next stream. Don't know when. Huh? Some sometimes. Sometime. Maybe tomorrow. I guess. So hope you enjoyed. Bye.